Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Liquid Ocelot on the Medium related YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be discussing my November 2023 earnings, my friends. So I have opened up the November tab from the November 1st till the November 30th of November 2023. First of all, the old diminished which is not working anymore referral earnings, I have counted for the last month as $11.09. So this is very good for me, my friends, because the new referrals you cannot bring and you cannot earn new referrals for Medium, but the old referrals has stuck with me, and this is, I think they have bought the annual plan, so they are counted for me, and I'm very thankful to Medium for that. Then we see the overall earnings, and it's not that great, but it's better than the month of October. I have made round about $107.35, my friends, and considering that I'm going to be buying, I have already updated my membership plan to Friends of Medium for $4, and then which will be renewed on the 11th of December 2023. So $15 you cut this money from this, so I'll be left with $92. So this is not bad, my friends. This is not bad earnings. I'm happy with it. It's better than nothing, to be honest. And the March 2023 boosted article is still doing strong. Only one boost in my entire life on Medium, only one boost, my friends, and this is a worrisome thing for me, because I think I'm not writing quality content in terms of grammatical mistakes and editing issues. In terms of structuring the article, I'm really working hard on that. And then we come to the 100k subscribers one, 6.28, Palm versus ChatGPT, OpenAI, still some AI old articles, an old interview. So some old articles are doing quite well, my friends. And then if you look at my stats, my friends, only one article was published in November. So this is pretty good reading, my friends. As you can see, I published 2 articles in December, and today is the 2nd of December, my friends, and only one article on in November. So things are looking quite different with the new Friends of Medium membership tier. Maybe the earnings are boosted. They are claiming if Friends of Medium members read your article, you will get multiplied by 4 times earnings. So I'm seeing a surge in a lot of people purchasing this membership plan. And if you see my profile, I think, yes, I am a friend of Medium as well, and this will be renewed on the 11th of December 2023. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think about these earnings. Are they good, bad, and what about your earnings? Take care, my friends. Take care.